Welcome back to Easy Py. In this lesson, we're diving into Python dictionaries, one of the most powerful and flexible data structures in Python. Section 1. Creating a dictionary. We start by creating a dictionary to store a student's details like name, age, and major. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs. Section 2. Accessing values. You can access values using square brackets or the .get method. Section 3. Adding and updating data. Adding a new key-value pair is as simple as assigning a value to a new key. Updating works the same way, just assign a new value to an existing key. Section 4. Removing data. To remove a key-value pair, we can use the del statement. Section 5. Looping through a dictionary. Looping with items gives you both the key and value in each iteration. Section 6. Checking for keys. Before accessing a key, it's good practice to check if it exists to avoid errors. Section 7. Dictionary comprehension. You can also use dictionary comprehensions to create dictionaries in a single line. Here, we created a dictionary of numbers and their squares. Dictionaries are extremely useful for storing structured data. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Python lessons.